Okay, what did you think about the examination we did?
I've never seen anything like that before. So thorough, over an hour yesterday and about an hour again today, just looking after all the various aspects of my spine, explaining to me what's right and what's wrong and what we're going to do to correct it.
Okay.
Couple centimeters. Ah!
There we go.
You dog.
Doing okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
And then lay your head down.
Oh,
There we go.
good Lord, man. Baby.
She likes for a minute.
Yeah, it's fine.
How's it feel?
I feel better.
Good.
Oh. I'm 6'3".
Back to your original height, right? We talked about that. Yeah, you certainly have some tight muscles through here, Michael.
Yeah.
You feel that right there?
Yeah. Yeah.
And there?
Uh-huh. Oh, yeah.
All right, Michael, why don't you stand up for a minute, move around, and see what you think.
I'm a new man. Now we're working on it.
Yeah.
That was good. I enjoyed that, actually.
Good. Move your neck around. See if you notice any
Oh,
even slight improvement in range
Oh,
of motion.
Yes, yes. And also no cracking.
We'll have some exercises for you as well, stretching for your neck and your lower back area.
Okay, well, good. I'll do whatever.
Sound
I gotta
good?
do. Yeah.